Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we re-tackling a question that can truly transform your outdoor space. Which trees are the absolute best for your backyard? Choosing the right tree isn't just about adding some green. It's about creating shade, attracting wildlife, and boosting your property's value for years to come. So, grab a cup of coffee, and let's dig in. First things first, you need to consider your climate zone. A tree that thrives in sunny Florida might not survive a chilly winter in Minnesota. A quick search for the USDA Plant Hardiness Zone map will tell you exactly which plants are perennial in your area. This is the single most important step, so don't skip it. Once you know your zone, the fun part begins. Now, let's talk about size and purpose. Are you dreaming of a majestic shade tree to host summer barbecues under? Or maybe you need a smaller, ornamental tree to add a pop of color near your patio? For large spaces, classics like the red maple or the oak are fantastic choices. Red maples offer breathtaking fall color, while oaks provide a sturdy, timeless canopy that supports a huge range of wildlife. They are long-term investments in your landscape's beauty. If your backyard is on the smaller side, don't worry, there are plenty of amazing options for you. The Japanese maple is a superstar for a reason. Its delicate leaves and stunning range of colors, from deep burgundy to vibrant green, make it a living sculpture. Another great choice is the Eastern redbud, which puts on a spectacular show of pink or purple blossoms in early spring, heralding the end of winter. These smaller trees add immense character without overwhelming your space. Let's not forget about fruit trees. Imagine stepping into your backyard to pick a fresh apple, peach, or cherry. Dwarf and semi-dwarf varieties are perfect for most backyards and can even be grown in large containers. They offer the double benefit of beautiful spring blossoms and a delicious harvest later in the season. Just be sure to check their pollination needs. Some trees need a partner tree nearby to produce fruit. A little research now will lead to a bountiful reward later. Finally, think about maintenance. Are you someone who loves gardening, or do you prefer a more set-it-and-forget-it approach? Some trees, like the ginkgo, are famously low maintenance and disease-resistant. Others might require more specific care, like regular pruning or watering. Being honest about the time and effort you're willing to put in will ensure you and your new tree have a long and happy life together. Choosing a tree is a wonderful journey that connects you with nature right in your own backyard. By considering your zone, the tree's size, its purpose, and your own lifestyle, you're sure to find the perfect leafy companion. Thanks so much for watching. If this guide helped you out, please give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more gardening tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next one.